Here we have a 2010 to 17 Chevy Equinox. In this video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy, simple fixes that you can do yourself to help you save tons of money. Let's check out the wiper blades. Make sure they're not fraying on the sides or the top. If you see them peeling away, then obviously they're gonna need to be replaced. And if they're not clearing off the window good enough, then it's time for some new ones. Just push down on this little button right here, and it slides right out. Make sure you don't drop this, you don't wanna crack the window. Take the new one and just slide it back on. You're gonna do the same for the passenger side. Let's go to the rear. The rear one's a little bit different. You just slide up on the arm, and then underneath here there's a little button. Just slide that button back, and it comes right off. Little button underneath there. It's all the same procedure as taking it off. The air filter. It's located right here on the passenger side in the front of the vehicle. Replacing the air filter and keeping it clean is going to help your engine run better and more efficiently. To replace the filter, there is 4 screws right up on top. Use a T25, take those screws out, take the filter out, put the new one in. Let's check out the cabin filter. Cabin filter is located right here behind the glove box. Now, normally it would take a little bit of time to get the glove box out. This one actually is pretty easy. You just slide there's a little lever right there. Just slide it out of the way, and then just grab the glove box and slide it out. And the cabin filter is right behind this door. Just slide those up, and there it is. Nice and easy. It's gonna save you tons of money. The battery. Even though it's not easy to see, it's right underneath this computer here. Don't get intimidated by this. There's a 10mm bolt right there. Take that bolt out, then just grab this computer and slide it forward, and it slides up. It just clips in, slides on there, and there's your battery. You can pull this panel up. There'll be a bolt right there, a 10mm bolt, and a 10mm nut right there. You can take those out. And the terminals are right here and right here. Disconnect the negative terminal first. That's a 10mm nut. And then disconnect the positive when you're taking it out. When you're installing the battery, the new battery, install the positive first and then the negative terminal. Taillights and taillight bulbs, they're really easy to change. Just grab a straight blade screwdriver, pop these little covers off. There's 2 bolts in there, or you can use a Phillips head screw or a 10mm socket. Then you can grab the light. If you have a little trouble with the light, just use a trim tool. Just be careful of the paint. Just pry underneath here and slide it out. Then you can disconnect the connector if you're going to replace the whole assembly, or if you just want the light bulbs, just twist and pull the light bulbs out. And out of the socket, just pull it out. This is a 3157 bulb. Slide the new one in. Put the socket in. Twist it. Do the same with the other 2. If your liftgate doesn't work as good as this one, then it probably needs liftgate struts. Have someone hold the liftgate while you take these struts off. Just use a straight blade screwdriver, pop this clip back, and then pop that off. You're gonna pop the bottom off the same way. Pop the new one on just like that. Do the same on the other side, and then you'll be back to normal. Now that you know how to do the liftgate struts, you can do the same under the hood. Those are some quick and easy fixes that you can use to fix up your car and save you tons of money. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.